Hey, you! I just want you remove this background. Can you help me? I get it, $5. Okay. It is effortless, so first you need to unlock this picture. And next, right-click on this layer. Next, choose duplicate layer. And click OK. Hide the first layer. And after, click on channel. Right-click duplicate to the channel here. And after, click OK. Choose the channel copy. And next, click on image. And click adjustment. And after, click cast. Next, the Photoshop will show you the small dialog box. You need to adjust the object's layers to black and white color. You can set like my example here. I want to express you that the tree I need a black color and the cloud behind the tree I need the white color. If I do that, it means that the layers are well selection, easy to select the object. After you adjust the size, click OK. Next, I click on select, and after I click choose coloring. So this is the number 2 dialog box. You need to use pen to select the simple color. So this is the white color that I need to selection, and after click OK.
So I think that is so good.
Silent, I don't want to listen to your voice.
Oh, okay.
Sorry guys, so this is my customer service. Continue, you need to unhide the color RGB. And next click unhide the channel copy. Go back to layer. And next click on mask to make a copy object. And next step, you need to show the object that you copy. You need to press the key Alt plus I. Okay, the outcome we see that the trees was a removed background.
Wow, good. This is a picture that I need.
Okay, alright. Thank you for you getting my service. Not yet finished. I want to adjust some of the shadow of this tree. I choose the lasso tool and next click on this button. And I adjust the size in the small box here. Finish and click OK. Okay, I remove your background with this. Where's your money?
Oh, I forget. I will send your money to you in Telegram.
What did you say? In Telegram?